Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. And this video we will learn how to restore your old photos sitting around. If you have any old family photos have some scratch and damage certain places, but you want to restore, then Capcut is the totally free tool will restore your old photos. I'll show you step by step. We'll restart video. If you have not subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you do not miss any video from my channel. Now let's start. First open Google Chrome, then open Capcut. You have to use Capcut web. You cannot do all the photo restore in Capcut application. So now I have a Capcut open already in Google Chrome. I clicked on the magic tool and you will see here it says all the photo restoration. So just simply click here. Will take you to the next new window. From new window we just need to upload our photo. Just simply click, choose your family photo. If you have a in your desktop computer, whatever the place path, you just select. I show you the picture right now. As you can see, I'll show you later once it's done how it look before and after. So here we go. That's the photo are already fixed. There was a lot of scratch on the photo. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.